GMR Airports will invest up to 16.59 crore rupees to buy a 49% stake in Times Innovative Media Goa Airport Advertising Private Limited, expanding into the airport advertising business at Goa's Mopa Airport. The move is part of the company's strategy to grow its airport-related businesses beyond core airport operations. HG Infra Engineering has invested 33.80 crore rupees in its wholly owned subsidiary HG Gujarat BESS Private Limited through a rights issue. The subsidiary operates in the battery energy storage business and the investment is aimed at supporting future business expansion. RailTel has secured a 37.67 crore rupees order from Northern Western Railways Ajmer division to provide optical fiber cable infrastructure for the indigenous train collision avoidance systems. The project covers 568.24 route kilometers and is scheduled for completion by 6th August 2027. Waaree Energies has incorporated a new step-down subsidiary, WH Clean Mobility System Private Limited, through its wholly owned subsidiary. The new company will focus on hydrogen-based and battery-powered clean mobility solutions and is expected to support Waaree's expansion into the clean transportation segment.